Hi guys, this is called the Tree of Life. It's the biggest tree of life here at the Animal Kingdom. I think it's so cool to be able to take a look at this tree. So I just wanted to share that with you guys. Take a little bit of look. We're going to walk more through the actual Animal Kingdom so you guys can take more of a look of where we're going. We're going to Kilimanjaro Safaris, which is a ride to get on. I don't know what type of ride it is. So we're walking through Africa. This is the Island Mercantile. So go in there and purchase some items for your souvenirs to take home. And it's a nice fan of air. It's really hot here, guys. We've seen some cool animals so far. Africa.
Yeah, I've been trying to
Yeah, it's an otter. It's a small clawed otter. I don't know if you can see it in there. Oh, it's down, all the way down in there, so it's hard to see it. And you just come through here. Yeah. Maybe we can see it through here. It's kind of hard to see. Sorry, excuse me. Coming through, sorry. I'll take the steps here. Let's go back up. That's if you want some pizza. Pizza Safari. So I will check back in with you guys later. Hope you're having a super fantastic day. Sending lots of love and hugs your way.